Hi class, how's everybody doing today? Good, good. So today we're going to start off with our usual quote of the day. If somebody would like to read it for me? Yes, go ahead. Good. If everybody didn't hear, mistakes are proof you are trying. Now, can anybody tell me what that means? Yes. Good, 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 good. If you're not making a mistake, then you're not trying. It's better than to make mistakes than not try at all at something. So nobody's perfect. Everybody's going to make mistakes, and it's saying if you're not making mistakes, then you're not trying or you're not trying hard enough. So the plan for today is to do a picture sort with certain digraphs. So it's a little fun activity, introducing a new topic. Some of the things you might find easier than others. Some of them you may struggle with. You should have seen all of these digraphs before, but you may have not have known what like they may have not shown up like they are going to today. So let's start off with our goals for today. The first one is students will be able to decode what digraphs match with the pictures given during class discussion with the 80% accuracy. I think you guys will do very well with that during a class discussion. And then students will be able to decode what digraphs match with the pictures during individual practice with 75% accuracy. I think you guys will do well with that in individual practice as well. And if you don't, then don't worry. We're going to go over it at the end, and we should get everything sorted out. You guys can ask questions and that. So the activity that we're doing is a picture sort, which the printer wasn't working, so we're going to have to deal with my rough drawings. So this right here is a picture of a graph. So now the digraph and graph is the PH at the end. So when you say, oops, sorry, the PH at the end of the word. So graph, that is the digraph and graph. So basically, I am going to hold up several cards, not several, 4 cards, like this, and you're going to tell me which ones match with each other. So, for example, phone. The PH is at the beginning of phone. The PH is at the end of graph. So those are the difference in between those two. This will work a lot better in person or if I could print them all on one page, but since the printer wasn't working, we have to deal with our situation being online and with my rough drawings. So, we'll start off with a different one since we just did that one. Here we go. So we'll take it slow at first. Can anybody tell me what this picture is? It's in a bathroom, if that helps. Yes. Good, it's a shower. So now where is the digraph in shower? Yes, it is in the front. So, shower. Anybody tell me what this picture is? Yes. Good. It's a trash can. Now, we don't have to use the word can, but the digraph is at the end of the word trash. So the digraph is the same as in shower and trash, but it's in a different spot. So the SH digraph, it's a very common digraph. Okay. So now I will hold up 2 at once. Do these digraphs match with each other? You see the bottom one is a picture of a fish, and this bottom one is a picture of a shoe. Correct. They don't match, so we have to switch them. The shoe digraph is in the front, and the fish digraph is in the back. So they should be like this, correct? Good job. Okay. Let's do this. Do these match? Oops. There we go. Are you sure? And how do you know that? Good, because in the laughing picture, the GH belongs in the back, laugh. And then in the ghost, it belongs in the front, ghost, which they do sound different, but that's how they're spelled in the English language, laugh, ghost. They're the same digraph, but they sound different and are in different spots. And here's another one. We'll do one card for this one. So this one is also one that sounds a little bit different, but is the same. Do these match up? Rethink that one. You're close. Good. Yes, they do. They match up because 3, the TH is in the front of the 3. And in math, the TH is in the back of math. I know, my drawings aren't the greatest. I'm struggling with the symbols. Okay, now I'm going to go over a couple of the cards. I'm just going to hold them up, and you're going to write down if they are in the correct spots or if they aren't in the correct spots. Okay? And here is number 1. Correct or not correct? Okay, and we're going to go on to number 2. Correct or not correct? Okay. And number 3. Number 3, whoopsies. There we go. Should be able to see it now. Correct or incorrect? Okay. Remember, this is not for a grade. I just want to see where everybody is at. Correct or incorrect? Okay. And the last one. Correct or incorrect? Alrighty. So now let's go over, starting with number 1. Was number 1 correct or incorrect? Did they match up, or were the digraphs off of the pictures? Yes. Correct. Good job. Good job. Does anybody want to try number 2? Yes. I believe number 2 was correct. Can you explain why you thought it wasn't? Okay, yeah. Sometimes it's confusing to see with the screen. Obviously, if we didn't have that, we could work around it in a classroom. It would be a lot easier. Plus, my drawings are bad again. Like I said earlier, so that's okay. As long as you're understanding it, it doesn't. I mean, you don't have to be perfect with it. Number 3, I believe, was incorrect. The digraphs did not match up. Number 4 was also incorrect. The digraphs did not match up on that one either. And number 5 was correct. Does anybody have any questions on that? No? No questions? Okay. So tomorrow we are going to be doing vowel digraphs, such as EE. Those could be in the middle of the word or towards the end of the word as well. We'll be doing a little bit different activity. We'll get you guys speaking a little bit more and get everybody a little bit more involved. Just wanted to see how everybody was doing with this activity that we introduced it today, and it seemed like everybody did a pretty good job. So congrats to you guys. Alrighty, I will see you guys tomorrow where we can work on the vowel digraphs. Bye-bye.